Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me, Ken Faisal Nugroho. So, welcome back to the Adobe Illustrator tutorial series. And in this tutorial video, we are going to make a flat design by the theme is nature. So, without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay, as usual, for the first, in the Adobe Illustrator home panel, click the New File button and then choose the web large preset and rename it to the flat design nature. Then change the centimeters. If you use the centimeters, use pixels, because if you use centimeters it will more heavy in your device. Name it to the flat design. Okay, and after that click the create button in here. Okay, after in Adobe Illustrator, we have entered the file, and for the first step, make a rectangle that have a same width and height with the artwork, like this. Okay, wait, making a rectangle. Okay, after that, make a color palette with a rectangle in here. After make the background shape like in here, then make it little gradient with gradient tool. Wait, I think in here gradient type, then choose the gradient type that what you want, then make it vertical like this. Okay, after that make like a sunset gradient, like orange in here with the orange color, and in the above of the orange we will add blue colors, blue, like they're blue, like blue. Okay, like in here it's like a sunset gradient, as you can see. After make the background color, then in the layer panels, don't forget to lock this background. Okay, after that back to the properties, and then because this is a flat design, we will make a design, but just a flat, so there is no like a strokes and other things like that. So first make um like basic base of islands with rectangle shape. Okay, and then back to the V, line it to the center of the artwork, and don't make it gradient but make it green. Okay, green. No, this is gradient, this is still gradient. We change it to the green color. After that, uh, don't forget to remove the stroke. Okay, in your remove the stroke, and using direction tool or not, you can use selection tool. Make this rectangle is fully curved. After that, line into the center, and this is the base of our flat island design. Then after that, make a rectangle, again. Okay, I think this enough. Then after that, make it a little darker, little bit different from the first layer, little darker, like this. Then we then select this rectangle with selection tool with V in here. You can choose in here selection tool, select this rectangle, and then use shape builder tool, or for the shortcut you can use Shift M. After that, select the this part of the second rectangle, and while hold and press Alt, click this part, and rectangle will be removed. After that, this is like a shadow of our main base for our nature. Then group it, make it group in the same group, and after that, let's make it to the line of the artworks, and okay, move it little bit. Okay, after that, make a mountain shape using pen tool, or this is the pen tool, or for the shortcut you can use P. Make a triangle shape for the mountain. I will make 3 mountain maybe. Okay, this is the first mountain. Okay, after that, make it more darker with gray. I think with gray. Yes, I think I have to use gray color. Okay, then you can use alt button, press and hold the alt button, and click and drag the first mountain. It will duplicate be the second mountain, and then select these 2 mountain and move these 2 mountain to the backward using, you can use the control and right and left bracket. Okay, then after that, make it more little than the first mountain, and after that, make the third mountain like step before, using alt and drag. Wait, using direction tool. Okay, okay, make it more bigger. Wait, I think I have to make this the mountain in the left side more little. Wait, okay. After that, make the mountain in the center with different color. I will use another gray, and this is two. I will use another gray too. This I think I have to make like this. Wait, this is same like this. Okay. After that, move the mountain in the right side to the backward of the center mountain. You can use the control and the right bracket for the shortcut. After that, because this is a flat design, it will look aesthetic with rounded shape. So make it rounded, little rounded. Make it little rounded using direction tool, or for the shortcut you can use A. Like this, enough. Another mountain. Okay, okay, okay. After change the color of this tree mountain, so after that, make like a snowy effect in the top of the mountain. So first I will add in the the center mountain using pen tool and and using pen tool and then make it wavy in the when the path is okay. Make it wavy like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, after that, select the this event and the center mountain and use the shape builder tool again, or the shortcut is save and erase this part that out of the mountain. Okay, and then change the color to white, white, white. Okay, and repeat this step in the another mountain. Okay, I will skip the video after I will give this effect to another mountain. Okay guys, okay, so as you can see in here, I was add this snowy effect to the three mountains. After that, for make it more aesthetic, I will add a shadow for the mountain. First make a rectangle, then make it wait, little problem in here. Okay, then make it with black fill, just fill to the black. Okay, after that change the opacity. Wait, I forget. So after you add the wait, after you add the effect to the mountain, you have to group all the effect with the mountain that you add. Like this, first group the mountain, group again. Don't forget to move it backward if the mountain is bring to the top. And then after that, make like before rectangle and then the group of the mountain with the rectangle. Wait, this is not similar. I will make it like this. And using direction tool, in the left bottom right in the left button point anchor point, the black rectangle, click the left bottom anchor point in the black rectangle and move it to the center, little to the center, and then like as usual using shape builder tool, or can use shift M for the shortcut and to remove the parts of the rectangle that outside of the mountain. And after that, the shape that we have cut will will close the mountain. So for make the shadow, we have to reduce the opacity like this. Okay, like this, you can make like this, and repeat this step to another mountain. Okay, like this, and then using color picker tool and select the mountain in its shadow, shift M to move one of the part, repeat again, and always repeat like this. Okay, color picker tool again and align it, little line, save M again, remove from the part, and this three mountain was done. Okay, after that, don't forget to group the shadow effect and the mountain with one group. Okay, we okay, after that we'll add an effect again. So we will add like a grass. So for that, make an ellipse, but the make the width is more bigger than the height, like this. Okay, we okay. Then change the fill to the grid, like the base of the iron color. Wait, okay. After that, you can duplicate this ellipse. Then it will see like a grass that appear of the mountain. Okay, duplicate like this from one to another one, and this is the last. Okay, tidy it, and the grass was done. And then after that, we'll make the path. We'll make the trees for the decoration for this flat island nature design. And then make a rectangle, and then move it to the top and give the brown color to the tree. And for making the tree, we have more time to make the tree. So you can get inspiration from the internet to make the tree. But for shorten the time, we will not make the tree because it will take many of time. So for the next step, because we not make the trees, you have to make it when you follow my step. But because in this tutorial we not make the trees, we have to make the sun. So make an ellipse to make the sun. It will be easy to make the sun because sun is only an ellipse. Give it a yellow color with orange, duplicate it with alt, and using shift and scale up the second ellipse and give it different color for the first ellipse and move it to equal. Align it center, and you can use one of important tool but not too famous in many of Adobe Illustrator users, that is flare tool. Okay, after that, using flare tool, drag and drop in here, and it will make a glowing effect like this. So it will easy to make the sun. Then don't forget to group the flare effect and the sun. After that, align it to the sensor. After that, I think I have to group this island first. Wait. Uh, wait. Maybe I have to lock this sun because it disturb me to lock another group. Okay, I also lock the sun so it will not disturb me to group these islands. Then align it to the sensor as usual. Then after that we will add another decoration, that is clouds. For make the clouds, it's easy. You have to make a rectangle, then change the fill to the white color. Okay, then make it rounded. Make all of the anchor shape around it like this. Okay, and duplicate this rounded shape, this rectangle shape, and make like this shape, and and then duplicate, make another path like this. Wait, oh yeah, don't forget group the previous code. Okay, I will put it in here. Don't forget to tidy. Okay, you just have to make the shape is different. Okay, after that group it again. And make it like this. And the cloud decoration was done. And after that make a little shadow of the islands. You can make the shadow of the islands like step to make the cloud, make a rectangle, then make all of the anchor shape is rounded, and then make the same color as the best of the islands using color picker tool. Then you can duplicate the this rounded shape, and then Control C and then Control V for paste it to the forward. And don't forget to make an aesthetic shape. Then wait, oh yeah, first after make the shape, wait, make it different color. Okay, after that back to the selection tool, go to layers, and then in your background, the rectangle background, then unlock the background, and then Control C and then Control F for the move forward, and then uh, lock the background in the bottom of the selected background. Then the selected background, go to the object, and then use the rasterize effect with this set, and then click OK button. It will make the rectangle that have a gradient will be an image. Also, you can paste the color from the background. It will see like this. Wait, I have to move the stroke, but it's enough. After that, make another. Wait, for tidy, I have to make. You have for make it tidy. You have to use shift and arrow button. Okay, you can make like this. Control C, Control F, and then repeat, make another, then make another shape like this. Wait, Control C, Control F. Okay, then make again like step before it. Wait, wait, Control C and then Control F, and make it in the center. Wait, I have make the shape in here. Control C, Control F, as usual, make a rounded shape. Okay, okay, align it. Okay, align this. Wait, okay, make it more little. I think using Alt. Okay, After that, make oh, make okay. Wait. I have to zoom in. Very hard. Okay. Can make the shadow like this, like this. Okay. I think I have to make it more aesthetic, but is enough. Okay, so maybe that's all for my Adobe Illustrator tutorial. I hope you can get more inspiration, and I will give you the link that you can see my modif because my design in this video is not my 100 performance because I'm not in the fit bodies, so I will give you file that 100% performance from me. Okay, maybe that's all from me. You can get the file in below in the description below. And for the last I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. See you in the next tutorial.